welcome back to my weight class. Let's roll the intro. So, we are all stuck at home. Sucks, doesn't it? But it's also a great time to focus on yourself, to focus on all the goals that you have been setting for a long time, to focus on things that you said you didn't have time for. You now have all the time in the world. I think at this point of time it is pretty clear that 2020 is going to be a year of home gyms. Even if the gyms are reopening, they are still not safe to go. Therefore, in my opinion, if you are a lifter or you are trying to start your fitness journey, you should probably spend on some quality equipment for your home gym. Later on that, I got another video which will cover the topic of home gyms and the minimal equipment required to start a home gym. In this video, I will be showing you a simple DIY hack that is going to make your lifting process a whole lot easier and better. If you have or you are going to start a home gym, you are probably going to purchase a standard barbell. I have a barbell from Amazon which weighs around 7 to 8 kgs and can hold up to roughly 100 to 200 kgs, and which is a pretty decent amount of weight. But the problem with such bars is that they are very thin. In fact, the problem with every standard barbell is that they are very thin. Mostly, the maximum diameter available is 28 mm. Let me show you my standard easy bar. As I was saying, the bars are very thin. You can see this bar is like 20 mm in diameter. Okay, so this is not enough. If you are an experienced lifter, you will feel a strain on your wrist and some movements are restricted in this bar. What if I tell you I have a solution for that? Here is the barbell that I was talking about. This is a standard barbell, and you see the thickness of this barbell is not much. It's almost like 20 to 22 millimeters in thickness. This is what I was recommending. A DIY barbell fat grip. This is going to make your barbell experience a whole lot better. As you see, it gives the barbell a little spin, which is very useful in exercises like the swing or the snatch. It gives the bar a better spinning and also puts less strain on your wrists. I will show you how to make this fat grip at your home. This fat grip is made up of an old denim fabric which I cut off from a pair of jeans. This is a very useful and very easy DIY. You just have to roll the denim fabric around and make it as thick as you want. Then place the fabric together with a duct tape. Remember to put the duct tape or any normal tape as tightly as you can. And don't overdo the tapes. Leave as much space as possible to retain the roughness of the fabric. Also, I'm going to show you what other benefits this fat grip has when it's made out of fabric. You see, I can just place it here and here, and this is what you would call a squat pad. You can use it for squatting and it won't put a strain on your neck. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. Until next time, stay classy.